What's up, dudes? It's Sebastian and welcome to our video. Today is going to be an exciting video. So, today we'll be doing an unboxing video. We're going to save this one for last, though, because this one's got the most in it. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and comment down below. Let's get right into it. And let's open it. I may need help here. Oh, yeah. Two new decks of cards from Theory 11. Let's go. Oh, we actually got Citizens here, and we got Monarchs. Let's open these suckers up and see what they do. Can you open these? Yeah, I'll take the hammer. I need my mom to help me open these. Those. And we got some Monarchs, which is really nice. That's a very nice brand. And we also got Citizens. And I did order a Theory 11 brand. So these are going to be very nice cards. Okay, let's check out these guys after she opens this. The box is very nice already, I can see. Thank you, Citizens, for making this. Thank you. Shout out to Citizens and Monarchs. So, yeah. Here, Mom. Okay, so let's open the Monarchs. Nice. That's a nice little foil there, but who cares? I care about the boxes though, so. Trying to open this. Yeah, I can't get the sticker off. Can you get the sticker off? I'm sorry guys, it just takes a while. It's hard to open a box. To me. These are very nice boxes though. I mean, look at that. It's very hard. Okay, she got one box open. Before we get into it, let's let her open. So this is what the box looks like when it's opened. It's actually very nice. Okay, here you go, Mom. So we're gonna open the Monarchs. Let's take a look at these. Very nice. Look at the back design too. Whoa. Fan very nicely. At least this base looks cool. This may be my new brand. Let's see how they fan. I'm not a very good fanner, but that's a very nice fan for me. That feels very nice. Okay. Let's see how they spring. Okay, not the best spring in the world, but still pretty decent. Let's put these back in the box and let's go now. Ooh, let's see the Jokers actually. I love it. That's cool. So we have the Monarchs. Now for the Citizens. Yeah, that's the Monarchs. I love Citizens, so it's kind of hot out here. Okay, let's put that back and let's open the Citizens, which I'm really excited for. Whoa. Whoa. These are not the best. Okay. Oh, we got a nice little business card. Don't need those. Whoo. Look at these. 2 Jokers. Maybe fan them, see what they nice and do. Ooh, it comes with a double backer. Nice. I'll keep that. Whoa, look at that, guys. Nice fan. So, like, whenever you're performing. Okay, guys. Hang on. Man, these cards are slippery, though. I'll have to use these in videos, you know. I did not expect it. I'm not trying to damage my cards because why would I, but I'm just like, they're so slippery. Okay, this is the Citizens brand. This is the Citizens brand. We have a double backer. I hope we had a duplicate, but yeah, that's it. So now we're gonna open that package. See what suckers in there. I bet you the Prism one is in there. So we'll have to see though. Let me put this back in the box. I'm very bad at putting boxes. Okay, we got the Citizens. Let's put these to the side. Now let's open this son of a gun. I don't care about the packaging. Ooh, they come in a nice little packaging. Wolf. Let's see. These are, oh. What is this? Super glued? Oh.
Okay, let me see.
It's fine. Whoa! Whoa! Dude! Dude! Look at these! Whoa. Let's open. Here you go. These are really nice. Thank you, Amazon. Okay, let's take these suckers and open them. This is exciting because this is the first unboxing video I've ever done. Okay. So far they're black, which I like. Whoosh. Nice and black. Look at that. Just look at this. Look at this beautifulness. Whoa, they're slippery though. They are slippery. Which is okay, I guess. I think we have a double packaging though. Not the best fan, but here is the Jokers. We got a white Joker too. The Ace of Spades looks savage. Okay, let's put this back in the box and yeah. If you guys want to see more unboxing videos, comment down below. I did order these myself. Nothing else. Ow, that's hot. Nothing else in the package. Now, for the win-win. Open it. Okay, which one should we open first? Should we go for the gold one?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go for the gold. These are gonna be like my Eagle decks of cards. And we have this one. Let's open this. Oh my god. These things are like 24K gold. Not really, but come on, they come in. Yeah, let Mom open those. Maybe I should have brought scissors out and my feet are getting burned. Like no one's freaking business. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so we have like these 24K gold ones. Do we have any double backers? No. They usually be on the end. But these are what they look like. These are very nice. Okay. I'm liking these. I'm liking these a lot. This gives it like a shine. So, ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. When you just like come in like that. That's nice. Okay, these are like the cold ones. However, they're not the best springs in the world. And let's save the black one for last because I'm really excited. Actually, let's save this one for last because this one looks really cool. Okay, let's put this back. Make sure to get these. Search up Magician playing cards and you'll see most of these guys. So, if you guys are ever thinking of buying these. Yeah.
Hey, don't worry about that right now.
No, I will get it. Boom. Okay, which one's next? Let's do the Prism one. And then we'll do the black one. And then we'll do that one. Ow. My feet hurt. Just open all of them. Ooh, these feel nice. Here. Yes, we will pick this up. We have these ones, which look sick. We have the prism ones, and then we have all these 4 ones. I'll show you those, like, for the final one, but I'll just show you the boxes. I thought I ordered 8 new decks of cards.
Might still be one coming in. I'll have to check.
We'll have to do a coming next video. We'll have to do the next video. Okay, let's check out these set of guns. Here, our mom's gonna take the camera. Okay, so we have some prism. Let's check out these.
These are the ones I'm excited to see.
Yeah. Look at that inside. They even did an design of the inside. That's business card. Oh, that's cool. Look at the Ace of Spades. How do you know? Oh, that's just the back. Never mind. We have these. What's it? The Ace of Diamonds. Ace of Clubs. Let's see what the Ace of Spades looks like. Whoa. These are very nice. Like, I'm not even kidding, man. I mean, look at the 5 of Clubs, man. Let's see how they do. Fan. Yeah, I like it. Shuffling. Not so great. Let's give it actually a nice riffle shuffle. See how nice these are. Okay, Mom, zoom in. Okay, it's nice. I know how to do the bridge, so. Okay, these are very nice. Thank you. I like the inside of the box though. It was a nice illusion. So let me put these back in. I was like very excited to do my unboxing video. I've actually never done an unboxing video. Let's check out this one. This is the box. It's not very good, but it's nice and plain. It's got the King of Spades in the front. It won't open. It's not opening. Here, take that. I need to sit up for a minute.
Sit in the grass.
Oh, I need to sit in the grass, guys. Okay. I'll take these. You take the camera. Okay. These cards feel way different. Ace of Spades looks kind of cool. Not gonna lie. It's got just like a black. Oh. It's just got like a black.
Flat black back.
Yeah. Here's like a business card. I don't know. Yeah, it's a business card. Don't need those. I don't like those. Okay. They're not the best cards out of these. I think honestly the Citizens deck is probably the best one, but hey, we still got these ones to go. So I think the Citizens ones are the best ones so far. So yeah. Let's put these back in. Because I'm liking this. And we may have one more coming in, we don't know. So I'll have to show you guys that unboxing video too. Okay, let's go for the Cyberpunk. It's from Elephant. Nice. Oh god. Just by looking at it, it's funny. Business card, screw it. You got the Ace of Diamonds. These are the ones I'm excited for. Okay, nice. Okay, spring. Nice fan. Shuffling. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not a very good overhand shuffler, so let's see the fan. That's beautiful. I love that. That is pretty gorgeous. Wow. And so yeah, I think we're done here, right?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. So let me put these back in real quick and show you the boxes. Boxes are important too. Can't forget about boxes. Like, okay, so we have the Cyberpunk, which looks pretty nice. We have this black deck. I actually don't know what it's called. I think these ones may be the best ones out of this whole deck. So I think the Citizens deck is probably the best one. This one's the second. This one's the third. Probably this one's the fourth, honestly. This one is probably the fifth best, maybe? Sixth and seventh. I'm actually not too excited about that one, but I like him still. So make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.